You say I'm fine, but I hear a space between your words and your tired face. Still in bed, hiding from the day, and I don't know how to make it okay. I don't wanna force you to speak. I just hope you don't forget to eat. You don't have to carry it alone. Even silence has a breaking tone, and I'm not here to control your mind. I'm just hoping you'll be alright. If you stay quiet, I still hear you. Even when you push the world away, I'm not asking you to be strong. Just don't disappear into the pain. Your name still matters in this space. Even when you can't see your place, I'm here, not to fix, just stay, hoping you don't fade away.
I know some days don't feel real, and food don't taste like it should feel. But you're more than the weight you hold, more than the silence you've been told. And even if you don't reply, I still hope you're getting by. Late night city lights all blur through the rain.
Everybody's smiling, but they hiding their pain. And you've been too quiet, I can feel something wrong. So I check on your heart, even when you act strong. You say you're okay, but you're so uptight. Too much weight on your mind, too drained, uninspired. I ain't trying to pressure you, I just care for real. Some scars gon' bleed, but they still don't heal.
And I know you push love away when it hurts. Still I'm right here, putting your heart first. So take one breath, one step, one day at a time.
Cause even in darkness, your light still shines. I can't take your pain away, but I won't stop checking every day. If you're okay, if you still breathe, that's enough for me to believe.